In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the footer on the password protection page in the Shopify Dawn theme. We'll walk through this step by step right inside your Shopify editor, so you can follow along and make the change safely without touching any core theme files. First, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the themes section where you'll see your current live theme listed right at the top. On the right side of that theme, you'll see a button to edit the theme. Click that button to open the theme editor. When the editor loads, it usually opens to your homepage by default. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a page selector that shows which page you're currently editing. It will likely say Home Page or something similar. Click on that selector to open the drop-down list of all the templates you can edit. From this list, scroll until you find the password page template and select it. This will switch the preview on the right to your storefront's password protection page. Now that you're viewing the password page, look over to the left panel where all the sections are listed. Here, you should see a section labeled Password Footer. Click on that section. This will open the settings and styling options specifically for the footer that appears on your password page. Inside this section, you'll see an option for custom CSS or a similar label. Click it to expand this area. When you expand it, a text box will appear where you can paste in custom CSS code. This is where you will add the code that hides the footer. Paste the same code shown in the video or use the code provided in the video description. You can pause the video here if you need extra time to copy and paste the code accurately. As soon as the code is in place, look at the preview on the right-hand side of the editor. You should now see that the footer on the password page has disappeared from the preview, confirming that the custom CSS is working correctly. Once you're happy with how it looks and you've confirmed that the footer is hidden, go up to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. This will apply your changes to the live password page, so visitors will no longer see the footer when they land on that locked storefront page.